I'm gonna throw you out.
You're not going to touch me. That's for sure. I'm telling you now, you're not going to throw me out.
I'm letting you know that now. So have
and
your
I'm
fun
telling
now.
you now.
Have your fun
I'm telling
now.
you now, you're not going to touch me.
There's nothing you can
There's
do
no
about
need
it.
for that.
There's nothing you can do about it.
You're not going to touch me. I know that.
What are you going to do if I do?
Don't worry about it. Do it. I have a right to film government employees in the course of their duty and the DHS memo. There's no need for you to put those on. There's no need.
You cannot go upstairs. That's
Why?
an unauthorized area.
It doesn't say anything about it being unauthorized.
It's an unauthorized area. You can't go up there.
What do you mean? There's nothing that's stopping me from coming up here.
Employees go up there. You can't stop. You can't go up there. It's only employees only. Only restricted for employees.
But why doesn't it say that? You have big signs everywhere else where it says restricted employees only. I don't understand.
You cannot go up there. It's an unauthorized area is what I'm telling you.
No,
I'd like to move off your video. You didn't have my permission.
ma'am, who are you? Can you tell me that now?
I already
Or
told you.
No, you didn't.
I did.
I have no idea who you
I'm
are.
a staff member here, federal government employee.
Federal government
with the
employee,
public
and your name,
contact
and
team.
so that means you're public service. You're a public
And
servant.
You were recording me without my permission.
So that means that
And
you're
in
a
the
pub-
state of Pennsylvania, that's against the law.
Oh,
please
so you
remove
should.
me.
So if you feel that that's
Please
against the law, you should call law enforcement,
from
ma'am.
your video.
Ma'am, if you feel that's against the law, you should call law enforcement, and maybe they can educate you. Hey, how are you guys?
Are you recording?
Who are you, sir?
I am the assistant director of the station. My name is Pedro. How are you?
Hi, Pedro. My name is Sean.
Sean?
Yes, I am recording to answer your question.
Don't mind you recording.
Okay.
Especially me.
Yeah.
And the premises. But the employees, we need to have their permission to be recorded.
Why
That's
would
it.
that be, Pedro?
Because we have an agreement with our union, our labor union, and our employees, before they can be recorded or photographed, they have to agree, and they have to provide permission.
Do they agree when you record them on the security cameras?
Yes, that is part of
Do they sign an agreement?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I just whatever agreement you may have with them,
Mm-hmm.
I respect it. That's the agreement you have with them. I didn't enter into any agreement. I'm exercising my rights here. My intention is really not to film anybody in particular anyway, so it's kind of a moot point. I'm not really trying to, but I don't want to, if I happen to get somebody while I'm panning around and, just gathering, it's not my fault and it's my right to film government employees in the course of their duty.
That's what I'm hoping that we could agree, because
Yeah, I mean-
you are at the main entrance. And again, I don't mind you recording, especially me. I don't mind at all.
Yeah.
But my employees are coming in and out. This is the main entrance.
Yeah.
And if you are, recording around, you might capture some of the employees. coming in and
Exactly.
out.
Yeah. So, and that's what I'm saying. But that's my right, is to film They're government employees, right? They're not private employees. They're government. I have a right to film government employees in the course of their duty. Excuse me, sir.
Could you come to this side, please?
Oh, sure. I'm just in the lobby still. That's all.
Please don't go beyond that hallway.
Oh, I already went over there.
You already did?
Yeah, I already did. It's a public area.
No, it's not.
It says public contact.
Yes, but that public contact doesn't mean public area. So
But it is a public area, though.
It's not a public area.
It's 100% a public area. There's.
Sir, would you mind stepping into this?
I mean, I have no problem taking a couple steps. Yeah, sure. That's not a problem.
Appreciate that.
Yeah. It's definitely a public area. Which. It's for anybody that came in to check up on their government. Just because I'm not a veteran doesn't mean that I don't,
No, that's okay. No, it's not a public area. Period.
It is. I went there many times and no one said anything to me.
I'm telling you, it's not.
Okay, we'll wait for FPS and we'll see what they say. It's funny, Pedro, right? Pedro, you have signs over there that mark certain areas restricted, non-public areas.
If you need to spell my name or anything like that,
Yeah,
that's me.
sure. This is you right here?
Yes, that's me.
So there's big red signs back there, Pedro. I don't know if you've seen them. There's big red signs that say restricted area, employees only, VA employees only.
Mm-hmm.
That would be a restricted area. There's nothing that restricts this area. But I'll wait for
What was your
FPS.
name? What was your name?
My name's Sean.
So, Sean, your interpretation of our signage,
Yeah.
that doesn't mean that your
Or lack
interpretation is
thereof.
correct.
Or lack thereof of
Absolutely.
signage.
Or
Yeah.
lack thereof. That's
Okay,
correct.
so that's why we'll wait for law enforcement.
As the government official and the second in command in this building, I'm telling you that area is not open for you to record and for you to access.
Okay,
Given
well-
that you're not a customer, you're not a veteran. If you're a customer, you tell me what you need, and I'll make sure that we get you the help that you need. But if you're not
My
a
tax
customer-
dollars, respectfully, Pedro, my tax dollars go to fund this building, correct?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So I have a right to check up on my government. And that's what I'll bring up to FPS and maybe even your boss.
Sure. No
Okay?
problem.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, sure. What are you doing today, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
You can have my badge number.
Not your name?
That's all I'm required to give you by law.
Okay,
I'm not
that's fine.
required to give you my name, and you're
It's
not
not
gonna
about.
get it.
It's not. It's not about being required.
34502. That's my identity. So let me ask you, what is your business here?
Do I have to answer that question
Yes,
by
you
law?
do. Yes, you do.
By
'Cause
law?
You're in a federal facility.
So that doesn't mean that I have to answer your questions because
Yes,
I answered a federal
You-
facility.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Because you want to be technical by
Here's
the law. Let's
Here's
be
the law
technical
right
by
here
the
that
law.
says that you have to.
Yeah, no, that doesn't say
41
that.
CFR 102-7.
Show me where it says that I have to answer your questions.
You have to be here on official business.
I am here
can
on official
ask you
business.
what that official business is when you come into a federal facility.
It's a constitution
What's your-
protected business.
What's your federal business? What's your
I
official
would
business?
I would refer you, sir, to the DHS memo.
What's your official business?
Are you familiar with the
You're not
2000?
going to answer the question.
I'm referring you to you are
gonna
DHS,
answer, Are you
correct?
going to answer the question?
So you're
You're gonna
DHS.
answer- I asked you a question first. You answered my question
I'm
with
going
the
to.
question.
I'm not answering with a question, sir. I'm
You
telling
did.
you.
You haven't answered my question yet.
I'm telling
What's
you,
your
as
official
DHS,
business? What's
I'm
your
telling
official
you to
business?
look at the DHS memo from
All right.
2018.
We have a special agent on
which
the
will
way up
explain
here.
it. Yeah, that's
All
fine.
right. She's going to
maybe he will
make the
be.
judgment call whether you could be here or not. And if not, I'm going to throw you out.
You're not going to touch me. That's for sure.
I'm
I'm telling you now, you're not going to throw me
letting you
out.
know that now. So have
And
your
I'm
fun
telling
now.
you now.
Have your
I'm
fun
telling you
now.
now, you're not going to touch me.
Have your fun
I'm
now.
telling you now.
When she comes, she's going to make the
Yep.
final
And
decision.
you're not going to touch me. That's
right.
for sure.
There's nothing you can
There's
do
no
about
need
it.
for that.
There's nothing you can do about it.
You're not going to touch me. I know that.
What are you going to do if I do?
Don't worry about it. Do it.
I have a legal right to
Do it. No, you don't.
You have to abide by the rules.
Nope. You have to abide by the
It is
rules.
right
There's
here.
a DHS memo from 2018. Why aren't you abiding by your own rules? Your own policies and procedures.
The DHS memo
from
does not supersede the law.
2018. Read it. Read it. Read it.
41 CFR 102-74.
Yeah, what does it say?
Says that you can come into.
Let me see.
Read it. Read it.
Sure.
I brought it in here especially for you so you could see.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. So this is a memo on First Amendment auditors. Is that who I am?
Is that what you are claiming to be?
Never once.
Okay.
Never once claimed to be that.
You're showing characteristic traits that's what you are.
Oh, you're showing characteristic traits that you're a tyrant
Not
by
a
saying
tyrant.
you're going to throw me
If I
out.
was a tyrant, I would have threw you out. by now.
No, you're not going to
I'm not.
now, no or later.
Here's a special agent right here.
Hi, how are you, ma'am? Yeah, how are you? I'm sorry?
I just want to show you my credentials.
Oh, sure, yeah.
I'm a special agent with FPS. What's going on?
Hi, I'm just in the publicly, there's a DHS memo from 2018. I'm just in the publicly accessible areas. My name is Sean. I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm not, the ADA here says that I can't take pictures of employees, but I have a right to film government employees in the course of their duty, and the DHS memo, there's no need for you to put those on. There's no need. So you see your officer here is threatening to throw me out and get physical with me. I have not once escalated
Everybody
the
here heard what I
situation.
said.
Yeah, you said you were going to throw me out. I have.
I'm good. I'm going to walk away.
Okay.
You got I'm going to be right here.
I have not once escalated the situation. I've
What can I help you
identified.
with
No,
today?
I don't need any.
What
I don't
do you
need any
need?
help. I'm just taking some pictures of building of the government in the publicly accessible areas of this building here.
Okay.
That's all.
That's fine.
I'm working on a story. I'm a journalist. That's it. And I haven't bothered anyone. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
I've been very reasonable. I've identified myself. I don't know what else I can do to.
No, you're fine. And just so I'm clear, do you have any business with the VA today?
I have no business directly with them,
Okay.
other than
So you
asking
just wanna take some
questions. I'm just
pictures?
taking some pictures in the publicly accessible areas, ma'am. That's it. That's all.
You're good.
All right. Thank you.
What did you say your name was?
My name is Sean.
Sean?
Yeah,
Okay.
my name's Sean. I'm an independent journalist.
Did
You'll
you go
see.
through security screening?
I did. Yes, I did.
You have any
Of
knives
course.
or weapons or
No,
anything?
I went through the security screening.
Just checking.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
nothing. I obviously have nothing on me. I'm just taking some pictures of video in the publicly accessible areas of this building, and that's all I'm going to do. And you said your name was? I didn't.
Special Agent Kingsley.
Kingsley. Thank you, Special Agent Kingsley. I
No
appreciate it. Okay. Have a good day.